Was able to get another window. This is a refrigerated door section. I just screwed right into the 2x4 there. Yeah, donation. Actually got several panels, all older retail, I don't know, grocery store or a mini market, gas station, convenience store, something like that. This one's a little older here. That I used in here, and you see the old handle there. One's over here. I don't know, 80s maybe. Maybe ice cream display. Anyway, I drove past the blockhouse that I was jealous about today, and I can say I'm no longer jealous. They've got block all the way to the ceiling, but it's pretty sterile. Have a great day.